So in the yesterday's video, just I started a new batch on data structures and algorithms. Here you can see introduction part and all we will discuss in our regular class. Today I'm going to explain. I'm directly starting one chapter. What is that chapter? I told already, sorting algorithms. I'm going to directly start sorting algorithms. Let us talk about that. Sir, sorting algorithms. Can anyone tell me what is mean by sorting, sir? Please confirm. Anyone? I want to listen from your words. What is
we
mean by
can,
sorting?
we can sort the ascending order to descending order.
Okay. Sir, can I say sorting is nothing but it is a process of arranging the elements in some order. Sir, it can be either ascending order. Okay, it can be either ascending order. We have different types of orders are there. You can do in ascending order. Okay, we can sort the data in descending order. Sir, if you want, you can do it in our customized order. Okay, customized order. You can sort alphabetically, or you can sort based on length of the string. Like we have different types of approaches are there for performing sorting. Sorting means what? Arranging the data so in an order. It can be ascending order or descending order. If you take numbers, it can be customized order. So if you have some extra elements, sir, I want to arrange the data based on rank of the student. I want to arrange the elements based on okay, what you can call marks. I want to arrange it based on the total marks or percentage like that. So I want to arrange the data according to the alphabetical order. So I want to arrange the data based on the length, like the smallest length strings I want to get first, next level strings I want to get next. Like that, I want to arrange the data in an order. For that, we have different types of sorting mechanisms are there, sir. Why these many sorting mechanisms are there? Because, sir, if you are using any one algorithm, according to the inputs, it may vary. Suppose if already my elements are there in ascending order, then if you apply sorting mechanism, if you apply sorting for ascending order, what will become? Sir, same output only we will get, right? For this, writing a big algorithm is meaningless. So, if the data is already some sorting is there, already some elements are already arranged in an order. So, only some 62 or so I can say 40 to 30% of the data is not in order. 40% of the data is not in order. Rest of the 60% is already in order. If you want to use this, then what we have to go? So don't go for normal sortings. We have some specialized sortings are there. Sir, they have given so only 10 integer values to sort. Then we can apply a simple bubble sort, something like that. Sir, I have 100 integer objects are there. Sir, we can go for something like a selection sort. Sir, I have some, so 1,000, 10,000, like this, a big integers are there. We have to go for either merge sort or quick sort, like that. So depending on the input size also, different algorithms are there, sir. Only reason is efficiency wise, performance wise, which is good, which is not good, we have to decide. Sir, in this total sorting chapter, we are going to see different sorting algorithms, how we are going to do. So in this, the first topic what we are going to see is, sir, generally in other institutions or even if you take other textbooks or guides or anything, even YouTube videos also, sir, they are going to take always numbers like this. So maybe for their examples purpose, they are going to take a numbers like this. These are the numbers whatever we have. Now your task is we have to arrange these elements in sorting order. If I am using bubble sort, same example they are going to take. So if they want to implement by using selection sort, same example. So whatever numbers that we are taking, it is static data. In the program, we are going to dump this data. Sir, I don't want this. Try to get a new array with some 10 elements. I will apply sorting for these 10 elements so that we can see all the sorted data. This is unsorted data. This is a sorted data we can see. So these 10 elements, try to generate by using some random object. We have a random class is there right in Java. So what I will do, I will select some random numbers and I will put it into an array, some 10 elements. So before performing sorting operation, what are those 10 elements I will display, and after performing sorting operation, what are those 10 elements I will display, so that what will happen, we can see what variation will be there, and you can run multiple times and you can see the difference, sir. So for getting that particular clarity, we are going to create one new array with random elements. Sir, whenever I am using the word random, please make sure runtime to runtime, the values are going to change. We can't fix the values. So for every sorting around, we are going to see some 10 to 15 programs. In every program, I'm trying to use this random array and I will demonstrate. Sir, I hope up to this, whatever theory part I covered, it is very clear for you. Am I right, friends? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
I told already it should be an interactive session. Then only it will be very good for everyone. Please sit in an isolated place and try to focus completely on this. Sir, is it clear for everyone? I need response from everyone, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Now, see what will happen. Sir, I will put a heading like this. So generating random integer values for sorting purpose. Okay, something like this. I'm going to write a simple Java program, sir. So let us see how I can write Java program for this. Yesterday we have seen some program. I don't want this program. Just I'm going to erase all these things. You know the format of Java program, because I told prerequisite is mandatory Java. This is nothing but a simple Java program what I have. So I want to create an array which is holding how many elements? 10 elements. Sir, how to create an array with 10 elements? Can I take like this integer array A is equal to, I am creating a new integer array with the capacity 10. How you can display these elements? I don't want to write for loop. Simply, there is one predefined class is there in Java with name arrays. Don't worry. In arrays data structure, I will address this arrays class also. What are the different methods present in this arrays class also, I will demonstrate. So there is one special class is there with name arrays. So which is present in util package. So anyway, util package is already imported. In this arrays class, there is one special method is there like a toString. Actually, this method is present in object class. So we know every class is by default extending the properties from object class. That's why in arrays class, already they provided implementation for this toString in such a way that if you are giving any array, what it is going to return? It will return in the square brackets with all the values. Sir, how many values we are going to get? What is the default value for integer? 0, right? We are going to get 10 integer values like this. Let us check really is it going to come or not. I want to run this program and I need to show the results for you people. Listen carefully. So it is there in test folder, Java C test.java. I'm compiling this program. You know how to compile. I want to run this program, Java space test. Sir, I hope you can see there are 10 integer values are there. What are the initial values of these 10 values? Zeros. So this is nothing but how we can able to create an array, empty array, and I'm displaying all the elements. Now my task is I want to fill these 10 elements with random values. Whenever you are working with random values, we have a predefined class is there called random. Try to create object for this class, new random. In this random class, there is one special function is there. What is that function? Sir, random object dot next int, within bracket you can give some parameter. Sir, I am giving 100. What this method is going to do? This method will generate a random number from 0 to 100. It will generate a random number from 0 to 100. Integer value it will generate. Whatever integer value it is generated, I want to store it into an array. How many values we need? 10 values, right? Sir, can I take a loop which is going to start from 0 and I less than 10, or I can take a dot length I plus plus. Why? Because we know we are going to create, we created already an array with the 10 elements. We are trying to copy 10 random values into this A of I. When I is equal to 0, this method is going to be called, which will give one random value. Second time when I is equal to 1, it will generate another random number. Third time when I is equal to 1, again it is going to generate one random number. Every time it is going to generate random number. That value I am going to store inside A of I. This loop is running how many times? 10 times. So 10 random values will be generated and it will store it in A of I. Sir, is there any duplicates in that? Maybe we can't give guarantee, right? Because we are talking about random. So we are printing those values. Let me check. Let us run this program and check really is the random values are coming or not. Sir, are you seeing there is a random value 38, 18, 28, 79, 91, 1, 3, 75, 15, 55. So before sorting, these are the elements. Sir, once if we apply sorting, can I get all these elements in a sorting order? Yes. So that if you run multiple times, you can see the output, what is happening. So for this purpose, especially, we are going to use this particular concept. What is this concept? Random values we are generating for performing the basic sorting operation. Because runtime to runtime, it is going to give different values. Sir, if everyone okay with this concept, then I will introduce some basic sorting, sir. Clear up to this?
Yes, sir.
Everyone
Yes, sir.
comfortable?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes.
Yes, sir.
Right. So now I want to go for this sorting. Sir, now basics of sorting I am going to demonstrate. As of now, directly I am not jumping into the actual content. So basics of sorting. Sir, what is mean by sorting? Can you please take some integers and try to sort like that? I want to discuss. Basics of sorting means there are multiple cases I am going to cover. Case 1. Sir, I want to sorting integer elements or sorting the elements in ascending order. Ascending order means what? First we need to get the smallest element. Next we have to get largest element. Second case, I want to sort. Okay, I want to sort. Sorting the elements in descending order. Descending order means what? First we need to get the largest element. So after that, we need to get smallest element. Like this, we have to implement. As of now, I want to talk about these two cases. Anyway, remaining also two cases are there that I will explain later. So is the concept is clear for everyone?
Sir.
Yes, yes.
Now I'm taking sorting the elements in ascending order. Let us see how you can able to do. First, I will take some examples, sir. I will take some example. Let us see the elements are something like this is there. Like this, we have some elements are there. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6, 7, 8, 9. So let us take 10 also. Like this I have. So what is my requirement? I need to sort these elements in ascending order so that the output should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10. Like this, I want to get. This is nothing but my requirement. I want to sort all the elements. So I will explain the basic thumb rule, how we can able to sort this. Okay. Sir, I will take one paint to demonstrate this. Listen carefully, friends. See here, for explanation purpose, I am taking some integers. Like consider some example, like I'm taking 4. Next second integer is something like 2. Next integer is 1. Next I am taking 5 and then 3. Like this, we have some numbers are there. So I want to sort these numbers. What I will do is, listen my words carefully, friends. So I am taking the first number, sir. What is the first number that we have? Sir, the first number what we have here is 4. I am taking the first number. I am going to compare with 2, sir. So I am going to compare with 2. Is 4 is, okay, I am going to check, is 4 value, is it greater than 2? Yes, sir. Then what I am going to do is, I will swap these two numbers. Sir, next, take this element and compare with 1. Sir, we have taken 2 and we are comparing with is 2 is greater than 1. Condition satisfied, right? So what will happen? These two elements also get sorted. Then take the first element and compare with third element. What is the first element, sir? 1. Is it greater than 5, sir? No, sir. So don't swap. Take the first element and compare with 3. So 1, I am comparing with 3. Is 1 is greater than 3, sir? No. Don't swap. Like this we are going to do. Sir, can I give a conclusion? The smallest element in the array I got into the first location. Like that I can give a conclusion. Sir, how you are going to write these things in the form of a loop? Sir, can I take like this? So for j is equal to, sir, I started from this location. J is equal to 1 or 0 and until the value of j less than length of the array j plus plus. Sir, I compared first element. So what is the first element? Can I say, is it always a of 0? Yes. I compared this element with a of j. Can I start from 1? Yes. If it is true, then swap. Otherwise, don't swap. This is the logic what I applied here. Sir, clear up to this, everyone? Please confirm.
Yes.
Yes.
Good. Now, I discussed this entire story with respect to first element, sir. Can I repeat the same process for the next elements? What are the next elements that we have? 4, 2, 5, 3. Take the first element, compare with 2. Sir, is 4 is greater than 2? Yes. Do swapping. Next, take the first element, compare with the next. Is 2 is greater than 5? No, sir. Don't do swapping. Take the first element and compare with the last. Is it greater? No, sir. Don't do swapping. Can I say second element also gets sorted? Please confirm.
No.
Sir, clear up to this.
Yes.
Mm.
Yes.
The next elements that we have 4, 5, 3. Am I right? Now take the first element, compare with the second. Is 4 is greater than 5? No. Take the first element and compare with the last. Is 4 is greater than 3? Yes. Then swap these two. Can I say the element 3 gets sorted? Clear, friends?
Sure.
Yes.
Yeah.
How many pending elements are there, sir?
2,
2,
Sir, what are those elements?
5,
5, 4.
So I am comparing 5 with 4. Is 5 is greater than 4, sir?
Yes.
Then we have to swap. Is there any other elements?
No.
No.
Can I say 4 gets sorted?
Yeah.
How many pending elements are there, sir?
0.
Only one. What is that element?
5.
5. Is it required to perform any sorting? Because is there any elements to compare?
No.
Sir, tell me, I have only one question. Tell me exactly, total how many elements are there in this example?
5.
5. But how many times we iterated, how many times we compared?
4 times.
4 times.
So Can I say I reduced one comparison because last element anyway gets sorted, right? We are not required to compare. Are you getting this clarity?
Yes.
These small points are very important while writing the logic. Now I will write a program for this. Listen carefully. For integer I is equal to 0, I less than, total how many elements are there? A dot length. Can I take -1? Yes. Why? Because I'm going to reduce length, right? So that's why I'm taking here. Then inside this, we have to write one more story. What is that story? For integer j is equal to I plus 1, j less than a dot length j plus plus. So what comparison we have done? Sir, we compared is a of I, is it greater than a of j? If this condition is satisfied, then we performed which operation? Swapping operation. That's all, sir. This is nothing but the task what we have done. Can I say is it a sorting algorithm? Sir, clear up to this?
Yes.
Yes.
But what type of sorting algorithm it is, that we will discuss later. But it is a basic sorting algorithm. Clear, friends, everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, I have a question for you people. See, this program is for which order? Ascending order or descending order?
Ascending.
Ascending.
If I want to write logic for descending order, can I take same thing and what modification we have to do,
Less
friends?
than.
Less than.
In the place of greater than, just we have to take which symbol? Less
Less
than.
than.
Less than.
Sufficient?
Yes.
Yes.
That's also like this we have to take. Can I go for a program?
Yeah.
Yes.
Everyone feeling comfortable up to this?
Yes.
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 Right. Let us go for implementing the program for this purpose. Already we have code snippet, right? Sir, can I do one small operation like if a statement I am repeating and I will call some method, sir. I will pass this array for that method. That method name is public static void something like method, which is receiving one array. So I'm going to write that logic here. I will write later. So once if you call this method, what will happen? It is going to execute all the instructions here, which contains our actual logic for sorting the data in ascending order. So sorting in ascending order. So after doing this, if you print arrays dot to string, it is going to print all the elements in an order. There is the code snippet. Is it clear?
Yes.
Everyone, please confirm. Is the code snippet is clear for everyone?
Yes.
That's all, sir. Now, what we have to do here, I'm going to write a program for integer I is equal to 0, I less than a dot length minus 1, I plus plus. Inside this, take another loop, j is equal to I plus 1. Why you are taking I plus 1? If you see the diagram, once if the first iteration got completed, the first element is already sorted. Don't touch that element again. You have to start from second. So whenever the location is 1, you have to start comparing from second, third, fourth like that. That's why j is equal to I plus 1 I am taking. Now, so inside the program, so j is equal to I plus 1. Is the j value is less than a dot length j plus plus. Like this I am taking. Sir, how to perform swapping operation here? If your a of I is greater than a of j, sir, how to swap we know. Let us take the basic swapping, sir. I am taking integer some temporary variable and temp is equal to a of I. A of I is equal to a of j and a
Yeah.
of j is equal to temp. Like
Equal
this
to
I am.
10.
That's all. Simple logic I applied. That's all, sir. Sir, can I give the name of this method as so sorting? Sort in ascending order. Like this I am giving. Sir, clear up to this? Is there any mistake in the program? Can I execute this? Please confirm, sir.
Yes.
Now, let us compile. So every time you have to recompile the code. Why? Because we have done so many modifications. So Java C test.java. Luckily, we don't have any errors in the program. Java space test. Now the output. I request everyone to unmute. Please be on mute. So I am running the program. You can see there will be two outputs. In the first line, you are going to get an array with random elements. The same array is going to be sorted in the second line. Let me check. So 82, have you observed? So we got random elements, sorry, same elements, 51, 35 like that we have. And all the elements are arranged in an ascending order or not? Yes. Sir, can I execute this one more time? Yes, no problem. You can see some other random numbers we got and those random elements also get sorted. This is the way, sir, how you can able to perform sorting operation with basic sorting mechanism. I hope everyone understood this concept, sir. Any doubt, friends?
No.
Clear, everyone? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right. So what is the second case? This case also already we covered. I want to sort the elements in which order? Descending order. Sir, how to sort that one? Already, if you take this example, let us copy paste for your documentation purpose. The output what I am expecting here is, so first 10, then 9, so 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, like this I want to get. So what is the modification that we need to do here? If you want to do it in descending order, just I will change the function names. In the place of greater than symbol, take less than, except that remaining things are nothing but the same. Let us recompile this code and check really is it happening or not. Let me compile. Let us run. Sir, are you seeing? We got some random elements and all these random elements are sorted in descending order. Like this we are getting. Let us take one more example. You can see. This is the way how we can able to perform the basic sorting mechanism in ascending order as well as a descending order. Any doubt, friends, up to this, whatever I covered?
No.
No.
Right, sir. So I have another two cases are there. Let me cover those two cases. So what are the another two cases are? Let me document here first. Sir, case 3. I want to sorting the elements in ascending order with customized range. So I want to sort all the elements in descending order with a customized range. The customized range means what? I don't want to sort each and every element. I'm going to give the locations. In that locations, you have to sort. I mean, in between the locations, you have to sort. Let us see how you can able to do that. A basic mechanism only here also we are applying. See carefully what we are going to do here. Sir, please be on mute, sir. When you are speaking, you can go for unmute. Remaining times, please be on mute. It's my sincere request. Why? Because these sessions are getting recorded. That's why. So assume I have a big array is there like this. So this array contains some elements like this. First element, second element, so third element, fourth element, so fifth element. Like that, we have some n number of elements are there in this array. So assume the index values are from 0. Sir, 0, 1, so 2, 3, 4, and dot, dot, dot. I am going to give, so last index will become what? N minus 1. And this one will become N minus 2. This one will become N minus 3. Like that, we have some elements are there. Sir, if you want to sort from beginning to ending, how we have written for loop, sir? Can I take like this for integer I is equal to which value we have given? 0. Why? Because we have to start from 0. Then I less than so and so condition we have given. So at the same time I plus plus. Like this we implemented. Sir, to sort from which location? 0th location to n minus 1. So this is the logic just now we covered. Sir, clear up to this?
Yes.
Now, sir, I don't want to sort from 0 to n minus 1. I'm going to give the limitations. What is that limitation? Array, can you please start sorting from second location to something like here? Assume here I'm going to take some other location. Let it be something like 15. Sir, in this case, what we have to do? We need to start searching from second comma 15. Can I say this 2 is nothing but starting location, starting location. This 15 is nothing but what? Ending location, ending location. So I want to sort between these 2 to 15. This is my requirement. Okay. Sir, if you want to sort only in this particular area, what we can do, sir? Simply the code is the same, sir. Only modification we have to do with respect to the logic. What is that logic? Sir,
I
can
will.
take for integer I is equal to. Sir, we can take a start value, right? Then up to end value, I am taking I plus plus. Sir, what this algorithm is going to do? It will sort from 0 to end minus 1. Sorry, not 0, sir. Starting location to end minus 1. Sir, I hope the logic is very clear for you. Please confirm clear up to this.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now, let us do this in the program, sir. What I am going to do is, I will replace the previous program, like I am going to take ascending order only. So what is my requirement is, in addition to this, I am going to pass, in addition to this, I am going to pass some values like I want to sort from 4th location to 8th location. Which locations are going to be sorted? 4, 5, 6, 7. I hope that 8 won't be included, from 4 to 7. So total 4 elements are going to be get sorted. But this is nothing but starting. This is nothing but ending. Where we have to receive that? Here we have to receive integer starting, integer ending. Sir, can I take in the place of 0, can I take a start? Yes. In the place of a less than a dot length minus 1, can I take end? That is sufficient. Sir, is it required to change this one? No need. But this one is mandatory. Why? Because we should not go comparison beyond the end. So, except outer locations, in between start and end, it is going to work. I want to demonstrate this now. Let us see. I am going to compile the program. It is going to compile fine if you run. Sir, 50 as it is available, because it is which location? First location, right? So first location element is as it is available. So 0th location, first location, second, so third, fourth, fifth, so 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th. What are the locations that we have given? 4, 8. So 4th location get sorted. So 5th location get sorted. 6th location get sorted. 7th location get sorted. Remaining elements as it is available. You can see here. Sir, 90, 7, 28, 47. 7 came first, then 28 came, then 48 came, at last 90 came. Like that we have. Sir, I hope everyone got clarity. So how we implemented this customized sorting. Clear, friends?
8th
Yes.
also got sorted, right?
Sir?
So because we have taken till 8th, right?
Actually, 8 is not sorted, I think so. If 8 is get sorted, we will get 89 and 90.
Because we have not taken in the program end minus 1 line, right? In the length till end.
Less than end, what will happen? It will end with end minus 1. I'm not taking less than or equal to. Less than end. Less than end means what?
Correct.
The value of end, right?
Correct.
So this 8th index won't consider. Okay. So this is nothing but how you can able to do. If I want to implement this for descending order, we know the concept, right? If you want to implement this for descending order, what we have to do? We need to change the symbol, except that remaining things are same. Let us do that activity. So here just I am going to take DESC and here also DESC. Remaining things are same. Even the indexes also I am going to give same, sir. Let us see what will happen. I want to recompile the code and I want to execute. 1 second. Let me, yeah. Sir, are you
Condition.
seeing? Is there anything changes? Everything
Yes. Yes, we need to change the greater than sign.
If condition.
Yeah, condition, if condition.
if condition we need to change. So the program, so here in the place of greater than we have to take less than. Let us see. Yes. Sir, is there any change in the output? Are you seeing? So remaining elements as it is available. Only
Yes.
the elements which are there in box. First 6 came, sorry, first 53 came, then 49, then 44, then 6. Because descending order, right? Like that we have. So this is nothing but what are the first basic sorting purpose I explained with 4 cases. Now I hope you got clarity. So how you can implement business logic for sorting. The same approach will be there, but in different manner we are going to take by reducing the number of comparisons. If you have more elements, there will be a shortcut. If you have less elements, there will be a shortcut. All these things we will see one by one. But up to this, I think you don't have any doubts, right, sir? Please confirm.
Yeah, okay.
Right. Sir, in Java, there is predefined sorting is there, sir. In Java, there is one predefined sort method is also there. What is that sort method is? In arrays class, there is one special method is there with the name sort. What this sort method is going to do? Sir, there are multiple cases I want to cover. So this sort method is internally implemented in such a way that to perform basic sorting operation. Sir, this sort method is available in different forms, sir. I want to sort primitives. I want to sort primitive integers in ascending order. How you can do? Sir, case 2. I want to sort the primitive, okay, primitive integers in ascending order with some range, with some range. Sir, I want to sort, okay, so primitive integers. I want to sort primitive integers in ascending order, in descending order, I want to sort. How you can do? Sir, case 4. So I want to sort primitive integers in descending order with some range, whatever I covered today. But these 4 cases I'm going to take by using predefined sort. That we will see how it will be. Sir, similar to this, now Java is object-oriented programming, right? We have to focus on objects. I want to sort integer. I want to sort integer objects in ascending order. How you are going to do this? Sir, similar to this, I want to sort these integer objects in descending order. How you can implement this? That we will see. Sir, I want to sort string objects in ascending order. How the string objects are going to be sorted in ascending order, we will see. Next, sort. I want to sort so string objects in descending order. How you can do? Now, sir, I have a student class is there. Can you please sort student objects? Student objects, because it is a customized class I am going to implement. Student objects in ascending order based on hall ticket number. I have one property is there called hall ticket number. Based on this, I want to sort. Similarly, I want to sort the student objects in descending order based on hall ticket number. This is another case. Sir, in addition to that, we have 2 more student properties are there. Like I'm going to take I want to sort the student objects in ascending order. So based on name of the student, here also based on name of the student, ascending order, descending order. Sir, I want to sort the student objects based on percentage of marks in ascending order as well as descending, because these are the user defined classes. How we are going to apply? These are very easy only, but we need to identify that hook point. Once if that hook point is clear, easily we can implement. Anyway, these 14 cases I'm going to explain in the tomorrow's class, sir. I will explain in detail about this. Up to this, do you have any doubts? Please confirm.
No.
No.
Any queries? With this, I'm going to wind up today's class. Tomorrow we will meet for the continuation, and I will cover all these 14 cases in the tomorrow's session. If you are having any queries on the course, you can feel free to ask. If no queries, you can leave the session.
Sir, on daily basis at the end of the session, can you please share the document which you have maintained?
Yeah.
So that
Once if the class got completed, we are going to upload this file as it is in a Google Drive, and I am going to give access for that Google Drive for each and every person. So this process will start on from Monday, because once if all the payments we got received based on the number of registrations, I am going to collect the mail IDs, and directly at a time we are going to give access for videos as well as for running notes. Okay.
The videos is where expire any date or particular within this month.
From the date of you are making the payment, from that date onwards, exactly 6 months validity will be there.
Okay.
Sir, these are, you can.
Thank you, sir.
Is it Monday to Friday classes or Saturday also we have
Saturday
classes?
also will be there, sir, but occasionally, not every Saturday. Alternatively, I'm going to take on weekends also. I told in the demo session, make sure that it should be available on weekends also.
Weekends are same timings or we can change the timings also?
We are going to change. Probably it will be either morning session or evening. Morning means 7 a.m. to 10 will be there. Evening also same, 7 to 8:30 or 9 like that will be there.
Sure.
Not
Thank
every
you.
weekend, sir. 3 to 4 days before only I will inform you.
Sure.
Not for every topic, only for a few topics.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Any other queries?
Sir, whatever we are sorting above, this is the conventional way of sorting, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir, are we going to reduce that conditional flows and all?
Yes, definitely. For that, we have our own sorting algorithms are there, like bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort, quick sort, all these things. That also I'm going to cover. But at very beginning, how these sorting we can use in a predefined manner, just I'm going to
Okay.
implement.
That means this is
See,
just
don't
right.
assume that arrays are predefined sorting, right?
Yes,
So which is provided by Java people. So they want to take normal sorting. So they are going to identify the efficient sorting, and they are going to implement that in their libraries.
Right.
My point. So
Okay.
definitely it will be the best sorting, but just I'm giving, there is a predefined sort method is there. So we can apply that sort method on these kind of cases.
Okay.
Yeah. Right, sir. With this, I'm going to end today's session. Tomorrow we will meet for the continuation. All these 14 cases I'm going to explain in the tomorrow's class. Right, guys? Thank you.